Good morning. Myself, Mr. Rajesh Balchandra Lule, librarian of SET NKTT College, Thane West. Good morning to one and all, dear students, dear faculty members. Taking into consideration the increasing requirement of increasing use of enlist e-resources, I would like to prepare this video and provide the information on access to the enlist e-resources subscribed by our college. Every year we are subscribing this enlist subscription, and in the NAC assessment, they are expecting the maximum utilization of e-resources or any resources of the our institution, and therefore I would like request to one and all, please use enlist e-resources and make your make your teaching learning process in very effective manner, better more than earlier. So we will go through this video. In this video I will explain about enlist meaning, then its features, then its resources, then the process of availing membership, then accessing enlist resources. We will see how to access the enlist resources, and then I would like to explain benefits to the researchers or students or users and college, and in the last I will conclude. Dear students and faculty members, due to the COVID pandemic situation, all have rushed toward the digital platform for making effective the teaching learning process. And everyone is searching the information on Google. But Google has its own limitations, and therefore we are unable to get the required information or required knowledge for our teaching learning process. And therefore this is the limitations that we are not able to get proper and authentic information from the Google. Therefore, today I would like to give the information about e-resources subscribe under Enlist. As I have explained earlier, that every year we are subscribing the Enlist e-resources, and we are so lucky that our college is in 12F2B, and therefore we are getting the e-resources in a minimum amount. So as per the expectations from NAC point of view, we are required to make a maximum utilization of the Enlist. Now I would like to turn to the Enlist. So I would like to directly go to Google, and I will just type Enlist. Here I have typed Enlist and click on the link provided here. Now here you will come to know that Inflibnet, that the institution is situated in Ahmedabad, Gujarat, have executed this project. In this project, through MHRD and UGC, this project has been executed, and here you will get the information about this. This about INLAST, the project entitled National Library and Information Services Infrastructure for Scholarly Content, being jointly executed by the eShodha Sindhu Consortium, Inflibnet Center, and the INDEST AICT Consortium. IIT Delhi provide for cross subscription to e-resources subscribed by two consortia, that is subscription to INDEST AICT resources for universities and eShodha Sindhu resources for technical institution, and second, access to selected resources to the colleges, affiliated colleges, and all types of the colleges. The Enlist project provides access to e-resources to the students, researcher, and faculty from college and other beneficiary institution through servers installed at the Inflibnet Center. The authorized users of the from the college can access e-resources and download articles or ebooks required by them directly from the publisher's website. Once they are duly authenticated as a authorized user through server deployed at the university center. And for this purpose, we are required to register yourself. I will explain that. Now, here I would like to explain the process of the registration. Dear students and faculty members, through college admin as a librarian of this college, I am able to register any user to the to this Enlist, and therefore you have to just send the information of your that I'm able to if you send your information on my WhatsApp